Nancy from 307 Junk Journals here in wonderful wintry Wyoming. We're right in the middle of a blizzard, as you can see from the video. Sorry for not having a Medieval Mirage Monday video. I've had a family emergency and I haven't been able to make any videos. I haven't even been able to craft since last week, since last, I think, Tuesday. So, but y'all stay safe out there, and hopefully I can get a video done today for tomorrow for you fine people. But this is what the weather looks like here. Visibility is right about a block and a half. So, yeah, it's just fabulous, let me tell you. All right, y'all stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.